Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to identify what is your memory bandwidth of your dedicated graphics card on your laptop or PC. Okay, currently I'm using Dell Precision 7740 laptop with RTX Code Row 5000. Code Row RTX 5000 graphics card. So, how to check that? I'm using Windows 11 OS. So, right click on your desktop window, then select Show More Options. Then select NVIDIA Control Panel, and you must install NVIDIA Control Panel for checking that. I'm also showing how to check NVIDIA graphics cards memory bandwidth. Okay, click on that. Then you will get this window, and left bottom side you can see there is option of System Informations. Click on that. Then you will receive a small window, this one. Okay, then you can see here multiple details of your graphics card, and just see that your memory bandwidth is 448.06 GB per second. So that's your memory bandwidth. So in this way you can easily identify your graphics card details. You can see here much more details is here. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.